Jealousy can destroy us. Jealousy can consume us and destroy our relationships if we let it. Raju had always been a competitive person. He would often compare himself to others and feel like he was in a constant struggle to one up them. As he grew older, Raju's competitiveness turned into jealousy. He would feel a pang of resentment whenever someone around him achieved something. Whether it was a friend landing a promotion, a family member buying a new car, or a colleague receiving recognition from their work, Raju couldn't help but feel like he was being left behind. Raju's jealousy began to consume him. He would often lash out at others, making slight comments or spreading rumors to bring them down. He became isolated and alone as people began to avoid him due to his toxic behavior. One day, Raju's best friend Arun landed a major business deal. Raju was supposed to be happy for Arun, but instead, he felt a wave of jealousy wash over him. He began to question why Arun was successful and he wasn't. Then, something unexpected happened. Arun approached Raju and asked for his help in celebrating his success. Arun wanted Raju to be part of his victory, and he valued their friendship above all else. From that day on, Raju made a conscious effort to change his ways. He started to focus on his own goals and aspirations rather than comparing himself to others. He learned to be genuinely happy for others' success, and he even began to celebrate his own achievements. Focusing on our own goals and aspirations can help us to overcome feelings of jealousy and inadequacy. Celebrating others' successes can bring us joy and help us to build stronger, more meaningful relationships.